This will drain the battery. Oh my goodness. This is alright. Welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. This is Benga. Today I have another accessory to review. Today, not even an accessory. I have a lawn accessory to review. That's what I can say. A power tool to review. So the other video that I made, I had this. I bought this from harborfreight, and this is the Atlas brushless 16-inch cordless string trimmer, the 80-volt lithium power battery, and a lithium battery power. And I used that, and it worked great. I love it. I love the way it worked. The battery works great. After I finished my lawn, cutting the grass and trimming the grass, I don't have leaf blower. I have a leaf blower, but it's wire cord. It's corded leaf blower, and I am tired of using a corded leaf blower. You have to be kind of wire around, pulling it everywhere, unplugging and plugging somewhere else. So I was like, hey, I just need to get something that is going to make me mobile, move around, and will last longer. So if you want to get one of these on harborfreight, this is not sponsored, but I believe this is one of their best lawn care power tools. So I decided to go ahead and get the same get a leaf blower of the same brand. So when I went there after my last video, it was sold out, or it said it was available, but they said they don't have it, but it looks like they have it placed in a different shelf. So when I went the next day, it's like I had to go and get this, like just have that ready. So thankfully to one of the store, I believe she was here, the manager, she was able to help me out. So I appreciate the lady helping me out to find that, because she didn't find it in the bag, but it was, I said, it was placed on the shelf somewhere way far from power tools or whatever. So, and I guess they're moving it around because they were having, issue with theft or whatever, which I understand. Even some of the batteries and stuff, they have to get in the back, or you just have to present them the card, and they'll go get the charger and the batteries for you. So but shout out to the employees at the harborfreight in Kannapolis, North Carolina. All right, so with all that being said, if this is your first time viewing this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos. Also, don't forget to check out my motorcycle channel, Kilowatt Hour Only E Motorcycles channel. Check the video out. I've been recording videos, but I just haven't had time to post these videos due to personal situations that I've been trying to take care of. So that was taking me away from doing video editing, but I still have some time to make some video content, and I'm getting better with the video content. So I'm gonna try as much as I can to bring you guys good content, okay? But if you want to sponsor the channel, you want to review your channel, if you are any battery powered manufacturer for any lawn care, for electric vehicles, motorcycle, reach out to me, KwhOnlyEv@gmail.com or KwhOnlyEmotorcycles@gmail.com. All right, so I will provide a honest review of your product. As far as I know, people were reaching out to me, and I review the product. I don't want to review the product because of whatever they want me to do. I don't feel like doing that. I just want to make sure that whenever I do my review, I want to make sure that when you guys buy, you guys are not just buying stuff because I want to review something for somebody. So you guys are getting my honest opinion about this, and that's what my channel is all about. And so just letting you know, if you want me to review a product, reach out to me, my email for business inquiry. And if you want to support the channel, I do have a buy me a coffee. I don't drink coffee that much. I like tea, but hey, if you want to support the channel, I have the link for that, buy me a coffee, and that will help towards getting accessories to review or stuff to review for you guys to watch and entertain. So thank you for watching. So let's get ahead and look at what I have here, okay? All right, welcome back. So this is what I have here. I have the Atlas brushless cordless blower, and this also has an 80 volt and lithium power battery, 4 times the power, and this has the same power as compared to a 27cc gas blower. So I haven't opened it yet, so this will be the first time I'll be opening this with you guys. Just let you guys know this is the product. It is smaller than what I thought, but we will see. I will see how great it works. The weather is really nice, but it is hot. So like the last video that I made um, on the cordless trimmer, it was so hot the camera was crashed. My phone camera was crashing. So hopefully I won't have that situation, but I will try and get as much content for you guys to see while I'm reviewing this. So let me go ahead and get the box cutter and get this open. All right, welcome back. So here's the box. So I have my bus cutter here. The other one that I used to have, the black one, I lost it. I believe I lost it during the event that I went to at the electric vehicle event in Asheville in April. So I don't know where I placed that, but it might be somewhere inside one of the boxes, or I left it at the event, because I don't think I saw it. I don't recall that I dropped it there. So right now, let me go ahead and open this. So this doesn't come with a battery, so you have to buy a battery separate, just let you know. So the battery costs about 100. Is this? I can't remember. I post the price on the top corner if I can still get it, but I did remember I got the discount on the trimmer when I purchased it. So this is the leaf blower, not that heavy, and this is the control. All right, and let's see what else is in there. I think that's the extension. Okay, and here's the manual, the instruction, and I believe there are 2 versions. This looks like I have this one, because this one is a little bit shorter and this one is a little bit longer. Actually, I don't know, it looks shorter and you cannot extend it, so, but it looks different. This looks like this one, like the 40 volt, but this is 80 volt. I guess they have a different picture for it. So let me look and see if there's anything else in there. Okay, so there's one more. So yeah, okay, so that is the actual one. So you just have to extend it by putting this in. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, I guess this way it stops, and you put it in and it clicks. Okay, so now it is a little bit longer. All right, so if you guys can see it. So, and here's the back where you insert the battery. Not that heavy. You can use one hand, or you can use both hands. It's fine. You can always use both hands. So let me go ahead and set this. Get the battery. The battery's in the other garage. So, and also whenever you get one of these, make sure you put warranty on it. Especially when you get a Harbor Freight stuff, put warranty on it. Usually before the end of that warranty, something usually happens, and sometimes it lasts long. I've had tools that I purchased from there that last long and so many years. So, but I recommend you get yourself, put a warranty on it. It doesn't cost that much. Within 2 years or so of that, by the time the 2 year expired, I mean, you're able to replace it with a new one. So just let you guys know. If you are not a Harbor Freight shopper, I am. I've been a long time Harbor Freight shopper, so I know when to put in a warranty on something. I know when not to. If it's too cheap, you don't need to. All right, so let's go ahead and use this for my lawn debris.
All right, everybody, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have this type of leaf blower, the Atlas 80-volt lithium battery powered leaf blower from Harbor Freight. Let me know in the comment section if what you think about it. If you had a great experience or negative experience, let me know. I've been using it for a little bit right now, so I haven't had any issue with it yet. So, and also I got a second battery for just to have that dedicated to, because it drains a lot of battery. Like, I mean, it does the job, but it is a powerful leaf blower. So let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned for the review of this leaf blower. And yep, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.